Check the button of that block. The button is right interline. The nyash. So you mark 2.4. Take away door. After you, no, continue. Feed block here. Why don't you bring this wall? Bring this block. Move this block. Mark 2.4 from wall. Move this one backward. Mark 2.4 from that side. Come this way. Hold the tape for me. Wait. Let it. Put it on top of the block. 2.4. You check your 2.4 there. Now then this will go like this. Okay. Cut I for that. Because you still cut this block. Or you just put this one. Just put this one. Then the next one you change your air. Put this one. I don't want error. I will lose ammo.
James, man.
The two blocks for now. 2.4 now. Just one wall. Make sure 750. You probably the clip.
The 1.4 into
1.4. 2.4. Now in. Yes. Leave the first now. Put for the engine first. Down a last work. Look up for the engine. Look up plumb the two. Contact full line. Then you know go put that blockage engine. Put that for the center. Stop at the center. The first connection. Yeah, use your plumb.